up? Happy Sunday. I thought I'd start out this video introducing, I don't think he's ever been on here. This is my dog, Scout. I know my Australian Shepherd has, I think. And this is Scout. He's a Great Dane. He's 160 pounds and he will be 6 years old this month. So let's get to the video. Okay, so what this video is about, I'm going to show you something new that I put on the GTI, I would say maybe 3 weeks ago. So one of my friends who came to help me kind of situate the vinyl and learn how to do it sort of thing, he had said that he was getting rid of the side skirts that he had on his Mk7. He said he was just going to throw them away. I said, oh, why don't you sell them? And he goes, you just want them? I was like, sure. So I took them. He said he got them off of eBay. So, I mean, they're not, you know, the highest quality in the world, but they work. So when I got them, I just tried to kind of spray them off because it has rained and I mean it's sunny right now, but it's supposed to rain later. So when I got these, you know, they were just normal plastic. They were worn a little bit. They weren't, you know, in awful shape. They didn't have holes in them and stuff like that, but they, you know, showed some sign of wear, obviously, because they were already on a vehicle. So what I did, which is what I kind of seem to do with everything that's black, including this guy right here, is I cleaned them, you know, just washed them, and then I used isopropyl alcohol to get everything, and you know, that shouldn't be on there off. And then I sprayed them with the bed liner. And if you're wondering what bed liner I use, it's very, very simple. It's the Rust-Oleum truck bed coating, and I got it at Lowe's, and I used the heck out of it. I used them on these, and I've done these once in a year maybe, and it holds up really, really well. So these have had mud on them, they've been washed multiple times, and the coating's still there. So what it kind of does, in my opinion, is keeps things looking rich and keeps them looking their original color, which was black. Otherwise, you can get the fade and stuff like that. So these come, and as you can see, in one, two, 3 pieces, and then they have a little fin or flare, whatever you want to call it right here. You can obviously pull them out further, and I think my friend who was running these had them out further because I had to re-drill some holes. Now I will say the only thing that really bugs me is this right here. And that's just kind of how I've tried a million different things, loosening, you know, the screw that's here and tightening this and vice versa. You can't see it unless you're really close up. What I did was I drilled a hole right here, and then I put a black zip tie connecting this one to this, just in case, because that is a, you know, area of vulnerability, where if I get out and my foot hits it, I could easily see it coming off. So I did that, and you can't even tell. It's right there. But, you know, from anywhere, you can't even tell that I did that. So again, those are the new side skirt extensions, which is what I call them because I already have little side skirts on there, for the GTI, and I will show you some pictures here so you can see what they look like, but I'm really, really happy. Side skirts weren't ever really anything on my list because I didn't feel like they'd make that big of a difference. When I put these on, I was like, holy cow. It doesn't really make it look any lower. It just makes it look a lot more aggressive from the side, which I absolutely love. And that goes perfectly with the new Flex Lip, Easy Lip I have right here. Again, he got these on eBay, 3-piece, and if they look like that, they're probably the same ones. I don't have a link, obviously, because I didn't buy them. I hope you like it. Again, I think it goes really well with my Easy Lip. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. This was $39.99, and it is completely flexible. So the fear of hitting your lip on anything and cracking it is completely gone with that. So that's it. I will leave you guys alone. I hope you have a happy rest of your Sunday, and I hope you enjoy the look of the GTI. It's changed, I don't say substantially, but quite a bit since the last 2 things that I put on. All right, happy Sunday.